What if I told you that one of crypto's promising projects, Kaspa, might be on the verge of a catastrophic collapse? That's right, a staggering 93% crash is being predicted for 2025, and if you hold even a single Kaspa token, this analysis could be a wake-up call. In this video, we'll uncover the latest trends, discuss technical indicators, and analyze the critical support levels Kaspa must hold to avoid disaster. Don't miss this detailed breakdown because the fate of your investment might depend on what we uncover today. Welcome to Zaki Crypto Update, the channel where we deliver timely cryptocurrency analysis, uncover market trends, and keep you ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving crypto world. If you are passionate about crypto, looking for insights into the hottest tokens, or just trying to figure out the next big move in the market, you're in the right place. Make sure you join this growing community by subscribing to the channel. Tap that like button so others can find this video too. We're diving deep into Kaspa today, so let's get started. In today's video, we will dissect Kaspa's recent price performance, explore why bearish trends are dominating the market, and analyze the alarming head and shoulders pattern that could result in an unprecedented crash. On the flip side, we'll also discuss the recent spike in Kaspa holders and whether this accumulation is a sign of hope or simply a mirage before a bigger drop. As always, we'll top it off with expert opinions and actionable insights that could help you navigate these turbulent waters. Before we jump in, remember that this video is purely for informational purposes. It is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and come with significant risks. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Let's start with the facts. Kaspa, a project held for its innovative Ghost Dog protocol, has been underperforming in recent weeks. In the past month alone, Kaspa has dropped by over 21%. This is not just a random fluctuation, but part of a broader downtrend that has raised alarm bells among investors. The question many are asking now is how low can Kaspa go? Well, according to technical analysts, the worst might still be ahead. A critical support level on its chart is being closely watched, and if that level is breached, Kaspa could enter a free fall, potentially losing up to 93% of its value. Think about it. If this prediction comes true, Kaspa could drop to as low as 795 cents. For context, that's like taking $1 and losing almost all of it. If you're holding on to Kaspa right now, you're probably wondering whether it's time to sell, hold, or double down. But before we answer that, let's take a closer look at the technical side of things. Interestingly, even as the price declines, the number of Kaspa holders has been hitting new highs. According to data from Kaspalytics, there are now over 538,000 wallets holding at least one Kaspa token. Now, this is a significant milestone. Usually when we see such growth in the number of holders, it's a sign of accumulation. Traders are buying the dip, expecting the price to recover. In theory, this should drive the price higher. So what's really going on here? Is this accumulation phase a precursor to a rally, or is it a classic bull trap designed to lure investors into a false sense of security before a major sell-off? Now let's talk about what's arguably the most worrying aspect of Kaspa's current price chart, the head and shoulders pattern. If you're not familiar with this term, think of it as a pattern that traders often associate with significant reversals, usually bearish ones. Here's how it works. The head is the highest peak, flanked by two smaller shoulders on either side. The neckline serves as a critical support level. If the price breaks below the neckline, it's usually a signal for a steep decline. Right now, Kaspa is dangerously close to breaching this neckline. If that happens, the projected drop could take the token's value down by as much as 93%, according to TradingView's price range data. Imagine standing at the edge of a cliff and the ground beneath you starts to crumble. That's the kind of situation Kaspa is facing right now. Let's turn our attention to the technical indicators that are painting an equally grim picture for Kaspa. First up, the average directional index, or actually ADI. This tool measures the strength of a market trend, and currently it's showing a reading of 27.61. For context, any reading above 25 indicates a strong trend, and in Kaspa's case, that trend is downward. A rising ADI in a bearish market is like watching storm clouds gather before a hurricane. It's a clear warning sign that things could get worse before they get better. Then there's the bull bear power indicator. This tool helps determine whether buyers or sellers are dominating the market. Unsurprisingly, the sellers are firmly in control right now. The bear momentum bars are deep in the red and continue to trend south, further reinforcing the bearish sentiment surrounding Kaspa. Now comes the million-dollar question. Will Kaspa actually crash by 93%? While technical analysis suggests this is a real possibility, nothing in the crypto market is ever set in stone. If the neckline holds, we could see some consolidation or even a minor recovery in the short term. However, if it breaks, the path to 795 cents becomes much more likely. It's worth noting that bearish trends often feed on themselves, as panic selling drives the price even lower. At the same time, Kaspa's growing holder base could serve as a counterbalance. If enough investors continue to accumulate, they could provide the buying pressure needed to stabilize the price. But make no mistake, this is a high-stakes situation, and the outcome is far from certain. To add some context, let's look at what industry experts are saying about Kaspa's future. Many analysts believe that the project's innovative technology gives it long-term potential, but they also acknowledge that market sentiment plays a huge role in short-term price movements. Right now, sentiment appears to be overwhelmingly bearish. Fear and uncertainty are dominating the market, and until confidence is restored, it's hard to see Kaspa making a meaningful recovery. If you're a Kaspa holder, this is not the time to make emotional decisions. Instead, take a step back and assess your options. First, consider setting stop-loss orders to protect yourself from further downside risk. This way you can limit your losses if the price continues to fall. Second, think about your investment horizon. If you believe in Kaspa's long-term potential, you might decide to hold onto your tokens and ride out the storm. But if you're more focused on short-term gains, it might be worth reevaluating your position. Finally, remember the golden rule of investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and even the most promising projects can experience significant setbacks. If you're finding this analysis helpful, now is the perfect time to show your support. Hit that like button to let us know you appreciate this content, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth crypto updates. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Looking ahead, Kaspa's future will depend on a combination of factors. On the one hand, its innovative Ghostag protocol gives it a unique edge in terms of scalability and transaction speed. On the other hand, market sentiment and broader crypto trends will play a huge role in determining its price trajectory. If Kaspa can leverage its growing holder base and regain investor confidence, it might be able to avoid the dreaded 93% crash. However, this will require not just technical improvements, but also effective marketing and community engagement. And that brings us to the end of today's analysis. Kaspa is at a critical juncture, and the next few weeks could be pivotal for its future. Whether you're bullish or bearish on Kaspa, one thing is clear. This is a project worth keeping an eye on. Thank you for tuning in to Zaki Crypto Update. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you high quality crypto content. Also, check out our other videos for more updates and analyses on the world of cryptocurrency. From Bitcoin to Shiba Inu, we cover it all. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and happy investing.